Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is from the company The Knot, otherwise known as The Knot Worldwide, not spelled K-N-O-T, like tying the knot, getting married. They are a well-known website that hosts a lot of bridal content on how to decorate for your wedding, different photographers, caterers, all kinds of bridal content to help you plan your wedding. They also offer different services like where you can create a website countdown for your guests, save the dates, different things like that. They do have 287 reviews on Glassdoor with a 4.0 out of 5-star rating. Of course, as always, the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below the video. But they are hiring a policy specialist. Now, this is remote for the United States only. But as a policy specialist, you'll be responsible for researching and providing review insights and basic tech support on the Knot Worldwide policies for their internal teams and wedding pros, as well as reviewing issues for their local wedding pros and couples. So you are going to have to become familiar with the Knot's policies and procedures and make sure that everyone is following them. You'll accurately and professionally answer all incoming emails that contain questions about the policies. You'll communicate thoroughly with customers, couples, tech teams, and other internal teams. You'll problem solve in technical review questions or issues that may come up. You'll assist wedding pros with situations in a calm and professional manner. You'll be evaluating disputes of the policies, gathering that factual information, documenting the details, and outcomes accuracy. Now, one thing you're going to be doing is reviewing wedding professionals' social medias, pages, and websites to make sure they're in compliance with the policies. So I said before, Knot features like all these things on how to plan your wedding. So if you're a photographer, you might have your service featured on their website. If you're a caterer, you might offer your services that can be booked from people joining the Knot's website. So they have basically a list of all these professionals that you can contract with to plan your wedding, and you have to go check out these professional social media pages and websites to make sure they are in compliance with those policies. Now, of course, a college degree is preferred, but not required. They want somebody who can really just work in a fast-paced environment, multitask, and have great time management skills. Of course, you have to have great communication skills and that strong customer service type skills. And you need to be able to work independently and, of course, have great computer skills like Microsoft Word, Excel, Gmail, Google Docs, all of the things. And unfortunately, they did not list pay for this position. That's going to have to be discussed at the time of the interview. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.